Hello, my name is Kent, and today I'm going to show you why the Shop Fox W1812 planer molder is a must-have for any woodworkers making their own moldings and frames. Create your own architectural moldings and casings, or plain lumber up to 7 inches in width with this multi-purpose machine. Maybe you're looking to outfit your house in all new trim, or perhaps you do so professionally. The Shop Fox W1812 has you covered. This machine will save you hours of labor and pay for itself in no time at all. People have been using decorative moldings to create elegant frames or add character and definition to rooms for centuries. The Shop Fox W1812 makes creating any molding profile for these applications an easy task. This heavy-duty machine is packed with features that are usually only found on planer molders that can be several times the price. Let's take a look at some of these features. A large precision ground cast iron table with built-in T-slots that make fence adjustments quick and easy. Removable guide rails are easily adjusted for variations in material width by simply loosening up the ratcheted lock levers. The rails slide within the table's T-slots, allowing for fast and accurate adjustments. The machine's open-end design allows you to make elliptical moldings using the optional elliptical jig. The elliptical jig is an ideal accessory to create round-top windows and arched panelways that are characteristic of fine custom woodwork. Conveniently located pedestal-mounted controls that feature the variable speed dial and magnetic switch providing thermal overload protection that automatically shuts down if power is interrupted, so your machine won't automatically restart when power circuits are turned back on. The variable speed rate of 0 to 18 feet per minute allows you to slow the feed down to a crawl, allowing for more cuts per inch, and comes in handy when making deeper cuts or using the elliptical jig. Speed up your feed for faster production runs. Easy access to the cutter head for changing planing or molding blades. This simple indexed bolt-on design means less time spent changing and aligning knives and more time spent milling woodwork. We offer some of the most popular profiles, and there are hundreds of profiles available on the market and countless companies able to make just the custom profile you may need for that special job. The support columns for the headstock are dovetailed, which adds the precision and control you need. The enclosed heavy-duty cabinet stand offers superior vibration control and dampening for unparalleled accuracy. Now we're going to make this molding. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer, home hobbyist, or a professional, the W1812 planer molder by Shop Fox will provide years of quality service and reduce your costs of moldings dramatically. It's what you need for your shop. If you need assistance finding an authorized dealer, please contact Woodstock International today.